Morning, everybody, and welcome back to All Personal on the Go. Today, a little bit about body language because we talked about how our personalities change when we talk to different kinds of people, how our personality changes when we talk to somebody that we perceive as more dominant, right? Today, just have a look at what your body language is when you speak to different kinds of people. So let me give you an example. When you talk to somebody who you perceive as being more dominant or who you perceive has the power in that particular discussion, just notice what your body language is and see how maybe your body is shrinking a little bit. You're trying to diminish yourself to become smaller as if you were hiding almost or running away. Are you on your way out the door, or are you just making yourself smaller while the other person is making themselves bigger and bigger? Or when you talk to somebody that you perceive as your peer, as your equal, what is your body language then? How do you stand? How do you sit? How is your posture? And just try to notice these things and notice how your body language makes you feel. So, what is the effect that your body language has on how you feel and on what you think over here? Okay, make this exercise and try to notice things, even note them down, and try to improve them the next time that you're in that particular situation that you feel is a little bit difficult. More on that we are going to cover in the Find Your Voice in the Workplace workshop, and that's next week already. Oh my god, it's June 13th, 100 Queen Street West here downtown Toronto. See you there.